These tiny rescue videos are taking over social media. And yes, you can make one in under 5 minutes using Fotor. Let me show you exactly how. Head over to Fotor.com and open the AI Image Generator. Paste the prompt into the text box. You can copy this prompt in the description. Then select the Nano Banana 2 model and click Generate. If you would like more scenarios, you can tell ChatGPT this. Please refer to this prompt and provide me with even more mini rescue ideas. Now go to the AI video generator and select the Dance 2.0 model. Upload the image you just generated, then enter the prompt. You can also find the specific prompt used for this video in the description. Similarly, you can have ChatGPT reference my video prompts to generate additional context-specific video prompts for you. If you would like a different art style, you can also tell ChatGPT this. I would like my visuals to have a 3D claymation style. Please provide me with the corresponding image and video prompts. And follow the previous steps. Generate a new video in Fotor. That's it. 3 steps, 1 viral video. Just try Fotor and build your mini rescue world. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more AI content like this. See you in the next one.